Hello kids, good morning. How are you today? I'm really happy to see you again on this morning, and in this session today we will continue our Microsoft Excel, and the topic still merge cell, but we will combine with shape. So let's open our program. Okay, in here I will type floor plan. Do you know kids what is floor plan? I'll make it bigger so you can see the text. Floor plan. And in bahasa it's called denah rumah. So how to make floor plan atau denah? Okay, we will make some merge like this. Okay, and we will merge like previous session. You still remember, right? Now click. Okay, now let's go to insert. Okay, and you can see here shape. All right, we will use line. Good. Now we will make the line. Just put over here first. Okay, can you see some line over here? Yeah, it's not really clear, but we can edit the color. We go to format, or it will automatically when we click the line like this, and the format will automatically show up. Now change the color. There is so many color, we just need the dark one, so choose the black one, and we will edit the size. Okay, we go to the weight and choose 1 point. Okay, now the line is clearly, and we put here. Okay, now to make the other line, you just need to copy and paste. You still remember how to copy paste, right? Okay, just click on the shape on the line and then go to copy, right, and then paste. Good. Now put in the right side like this. Okay, and we need to copy one more. Okay, now we will put over here, right here, and then right there. Okay, now it's done, and we need one more for this size, so just copy and paste. Good. Now put over here, and we will decide where is the door is. So I will decide the door is over here. Okay, now to make a door we need the other shape. Now go to insert one more time, and then choose shape one more time, and we choose arc. You see the shape? This is arc. Okay, now pick the arc. Now we will put or place it here. Okay, you can edit the position. Okay, so we can we will put the door right this way, so the direction of this arc we need to change, but we change first the color. Okay, we use the red color and change the size. Very good. Now we will turn to the here and then drag, go there. Okay, you may make some changing to the line like this, make it straight more. Okay, and this is the basically how to make the what is it, floor plane, and how if we put the line to our house. And I made the sample of my house, this one. Yeah, this is the floor plan of my house. Okay, it's not detailed what the parts of this one, maybe what is this, what is this. So we need to rename it. How to rename? It's same like you write something over here, like maybe its name. Okay, it's same like this, but we will put inside of the box like this, and go to the formula bar here and write down, because this is a toilet in my house, so I will write down toilet. Okay, now edit the position, it's not really good, so please put the text to inside. Okay, and this is also okay. So now I will do for all the parts of my house. I'll give the notes, all of them. As you like see, there's a dining room and the other parts like bedroom and the other. So make it faster. Okay, so we can continue for the other parts. Okay, can you see here that bedroom, it's actually it's need to vertical, but it's horizontal. So click the text and we go to here. It's a position or orientation of text. You see this one? Okay, we click and we can see that there is a AB vertical, rotate text up, and etc. You can see, and we choose rotate text down. Okay, now the text is changed because the position here and here are same. So I will copy this text to here, but it's different. It's not bedroom, but it's office. Okay, and we will change one more time. You still remember, go to rotation of text and then rotation text down. Very good. Okay, and this big room is a living room. Okay, now all the room are clear. Now we will edit, so you can pick them all like this and make in the center all. Okay, yeah, this all for today, this tutorial. You can make own house, not my house, but your own house, so you can recognize where is my room, where is my kitchen, where is my dining room, where is my living room, and etc. So please, for the task, please make floor plan. Okay, so it's all for today, and I'm really thank you. See you to the next session. Bye bye.